Okay, so let me go and bring another cup for you people.
We manage one. We will manage one. We manage one.
We manage this one. You drink
this one. Nobody if you say so.
Mba, we say so. You see, what actually brought us to your house? We went and told landlord that you should forget about your house rent.
No comment.
Hey,
Come,
Hey.
you're good people.
I trust you people. Thank you very much.
Aziza Nazarora.
Hey.
We do keep quiet.
Aziza Nazarora.
Otoku, okay. Thank you very much.
He went to
Welcome, Masi Soko. Thank you very much. For this, I will bring cola for you people. I'm serious.
Yadeba. Yadeba. We are waiting. Hey, you want to bring cola? You want to bring cola for us?
We bring in cola. All you were seeing, be respecting us in this yard. Yeah, respect. We be respecting you.
Child.
Bia, I you know that Baba said that this thing you should put it small. It's highly effective. That's what it do.
Here is God.
We be respecting our yard. We be respecting you.
Oh, Mumu, not too much.
I don't know what that is. Open the voice.
Here is God.
Bear with me. I don't have
My
food
brother,
again.
don't worry. Don't worry.
Thank you very much for understanding.
Yes, sir. Yes,
Oh,
sir.
you people are friendly now. I love you people now.
You know the condition, man.
Okoro,
Oh, Mumu, not too
what is it
much.
now?
That beans, the beans, that beans.
You be Mumu. You think so you get wise?